All right, so we've got the incandescent twinkle lights outside. So your traditional incandescent fairy lights. This is just a little artificial Charlie Brown tree with some incandescent multicolor lights. And then strung across the store, we've got garlands, tinsel garlands, all the way along. And then up top, running the opposite way of the tinsel garlands, are these strings of multicolored lights. So we've got a mix of like this style with the torpedo tip, this style with the round globe. We've got some of these, or a mercury crackle in Christmas red, green, and white. And then just for the hell of it, I've got some more of the mercury crackle ones, but then just in like basic amber. So let's kind of get the overall view. So this is this room with the Christmas decorations up. You'll notice that we got this tree right here. This is all incandescent too. And then over on the other side, as we head over this way, these are more twinkle lights right here. Incandescent twinkle lights. Back here we've got some red, white, and green, little incandescent on the ceiling, and then of course the main attraction is the Christmas tree itself and the wreath. So the wreath is artificial, the tree is real. It's a genuine live Christmas tree in water. So we've got incandescent star at the top. We've got a mix of bubble lights. So I've got like the traditional ones that are multicolor. I've got some very new age ones that are white with silver glitter inside. Got all these on Amazon, thought they were pretty cool. We've also got like the traditional C7 lights, incandescent. All my ornaments are real glass, by the way, no plastic. Got some tinsel up in here. We've got like the regular colored incandescent lights. And that's pretty much it for the tree. The wreath here, it's a pre-lit artificial wreath. It's got the white incandescent lights, and then we decided to just wrap an arch around the top with the bubble lights and the glitter lights. So look for more bubble lights coming soon. I've got a big project coming up over the next few months, not related to Christmas lighting at all, but we're going to use the same effect with the bubble lights and do something really cool here, something nobody else is doing. We do have, by the way, this lava lamp display up here. I don't know if that was in the last video. But yeah, so that's the Christmas display. Let me walk outside and just show you how the wreath and the tree look from outside. What's up? How are you guys? Excuse me.